In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Comerica card. If you've just received your card and you're ready to start using it, the activation process is usually quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on activating your card through the online or mobile portal, which is one of the most convenient options because you can complete it from home and follow the prompts directly on screen. To begin, open your web browser or launch the official card platform associated with your Comerica card. This may be the Comerica Bank website or the official cardholder site linked to your specific card. It's important to make sure you are using the official platform so your information stays secure and the activation process works properly. Once you're on the correct site, log into your account. If you already have online access set up, simply enter your login credentials and continue to your dashboard. If you're using a mobile device, the steps will look very similar. Although the layout may be slightly different depending on the screen size, just take your time and follow the same general path through the menu options. After logging in, look for a section labeled something like Card Services, Card Management, or Account Services. This is usually where card-related actions are located, including activation, PIN setup, and other management tools. If you don't see it right away, check the main navigation menu or your account overview page. When you find the activation option, select it and follow the on-screen instructions. The platform will guide you through the necessary steps to confirm your card and get it ready for use. During this process, you'll also be asked to choose a 4-digit PIN. Make sure you select a number that is easy for you to remember, but not easy for someone else to guess. Avoid obvious combinations if possible, and store it safely in your memory rather than writing it somewhere visible. Once you finish the prompts, your card should be activated and ready to use. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation message on screen letting you know the process was successful. At that point, your card can typically be used for purchases, ATM transactions, or any other features available with your account. As a final tip, if the site doesn't load properly or you run into a login issue, double check that you're on the correct official portal and try again carefully. Taking a moment to review each screen can help prevent mistakes and make the activation process smoother from start to finish.